Hi, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to fix Instagram Notes feature not showing. So if the Instagram Notes feature is missing from your account, try the following ways to get it. First way is update Instagram. The easiest solution for Instagram Notes not showing is updating the Instagram app to the latest version. Go to the App Store or Play Store and search Instagram. You can see the update button on the right corner. But if it says open, it means that your app is already updated. Now, open the Instagram app and just click on the message icon and check if note bubble is appearing. If this doesn't work for you, try the next steps. Second way is switch to professional account. Switching to professional account on Instagram can fix many problems with this app. Now, tap on your profile picture icon on the bottom right corner. Then, as you can see here, I'm already on my professional account. If you're not yet on your professional account, just click the three lines menu and click settings, then tap account, then just click the switch professional account. Last is, if it doesn't still work, just offload and reinstall the Instagram app on iPhone. But if you're an Android user, just uninstall the app and just reinstall it again. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like.